100,000 people and counting from over 6 different countries have benefited from the teaching of this individual.
The only one with a certified track record of making money.
Please put your hands together for
Kishore M.
Astounding participants everywhere. The ideas and trading methodologies he develops are changing people's lives.
You don't need to live in credit. No more debt. Everyone say that. No more debt.
By helping them to achieve high-speed success. Invest 3 days with Kishore M. to discover what would take others a lifetime to do. He is Kishore M., best-selling author, award winner, and the only one with a certified track record of making money.
I started with a goal of $200 a day. And then gradually, as I was able to do that, I started to increase it. Now I possess the skill and the ability to make at least $1,000 a day.
Today I would like to share my success that I earned more than 7,000 Singapore dollar in a single day trade, which is about 119% from my capital on the day. And what is easy?
He is now teaching others to fulfill and reach their financial destiny.
Achievable. You can double your income week after week, day after day, month after month, year after year.
He helps change the lives of thousands and thousands of people.
I'm TC I'm a retiree. It gives me 100% protection and yet now have more than 100% of return. This is incredibly beautiful.
If I can make money from Forex 50 to 100,000 a month, why should I want to get involved in business anymore?
Retire Rich in 30 Days, his #1 best-selling, has inspired thousands. He himself is a multi-millionaire, respected entrepreneur, and devoted philanthropist whose cutting-edge ideas and trading concepts are empowering people to attain wealth and financial freedom in their lives today. Giving a huge welcome to the one and only Kishore M.
Hello, welcome to this course, Forex, currency trading for beginners. What is Forex trading? Foreign exchange, commonly known as Forex or FX, is the exchange of one currency for another at an agreed exchange price on the over-the-counter market. Forex is the world's most traded market, with an average turnover in excess of $4 trillion per day. Compare this to the New York Stock Exchange, which has a daily turnover of around $50 billion. It is easy to see how the foreign exchange market is the biggest financial market in the world. Unlike most financial markets, the OTC or over-the-counter Forex market has no physical location or central exchange and trades 24 hours a day through global network of businesses, banks and individuals. This means that currency prices are constantly fluctuating in value against each other, offering multiple trading opportunities. One of the key elements behind Forex popularity is the fact that the Forex markets are open 24 hours a day from Sunday evening through to Friday night. Trading follows the clock, opening on Monday morning in Wellington, New Zealand, progressing to Asian trade spearheaded out of Tokyo and Singapore before moving to London and closing on Friday evening in New York. This course, you will learn the basics of speculative online Forex trading. You will get familiar with the market terminology. You will understand how practical Forex is to trade, and you will learn how to set up your own demo trading account to practice. I look forward to welcoming you on this course. Enroll today.
Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com, making this a small video after a long time. Been very busy doing these webinars and teaching. Anyway, so just wanted to make this video just to show what I'm doing in my videos, my webinars. And if you're interested, you can join. Just a little thing, it's a lot of, you got like almost like 20-25 pairs now, right, in Forex. And but this Forex market moves in very harmonic fashion. and very, very calculated. Okay, support, resistance, trend lines, channels. You can use the Fibonacci tool and find out exactly where is the turning point. But of course, it takes a lot of time to learn. And if you don't learn from somebody who knows already, then you will have a very long and hard time to learn. Anyway, so it also needs a lot of time to analyze and do these analysis, technical analysis to find out these turning points. So, and a lot of time, a lot of people have like jobs and they cannot do it. So, what you need is someone. If you need someone to make these charts and pinpoint these turning points and give you a strategy to take the trades, that's all. So that's what I'm going to show you. This is how what I do, and this is how I do it. This is one of the charts. Let's say this, oops, it says all AUD Aussie. Actually, it should be AUG, August the 9th. So anyway, so this is, for example, this is one of the good charts because it produced almost 600 points. But these things happen in every pair. So I'm not going to have much time in this video to show all of it, but just showing one. And the rest of the charts are posted in my website, on my website, myforexmagicwave.com. You can go and see before and after charts. Before chart is before the trade, which I send to my subscribers before the trade happens so that they can take the trades. And then after the whole thing is finished, I make the after chart, and then I posted that this is what I did, and this is how it went out. So now, let's see this one, pound Aussie for our chart. This is August the 9th, and the current situation on this pair is this. So it went from here to here. Okay. Let me take out this confusion here. And let me show you that how easy it was to take this big trade. Okay, now even from bouncing from here, this one, this is I showed here on my chart. Remember, see right there. Okay, so this is it start bouncing, and that was one of the first trade actually. But you see, you have like 3-4 trades here, different entries. There was a first trade here, then second one, all again, it bouncing from here, this high right there, exactly from there. Okay, so you make an entry from here, and then again, this is a third touch of this trend line build, connecting these 2 points, and this was almost 300 pip trade. There was 100 here, 100 here, 300 here. So you see, one little chart can produce so many from August the 9th, and today what, 23rd, we finished the week 22nd, right? Yeah, so that's like 10-12 days, let's say 5 days a week. So in 2 weeks, just one little pair give you this much. So imagine all the yen pairs, they move fast. Okay, so, and let me show you also how to make entries using my Forex Magic Wave strategy. Let's say this is August the 12th, August 9th. Yeah, now August 12th, right? So let's see what happens after the 12th. I'll show you, and not exactly with the, but I'll show you the entries. Where's the August 12th? See, right here. Okay, August the 12th. This is one of the entry here. Okay, and then you have another good entry here. But these are small trades, though. The big trade comes later on. See, this one was one of the big entries. Let me show you this one. This is August the 15th, and this is a beautiful entry right here, the momentum bar here, right? So watch the, just remember this picture here, this whole thing. Price going above this yellow line, this wave, then coming into the wave, and then with the momentum bar, bullish engulfing candle, and it went all the way up. And this is the 15th, and later, again, after the retracement finishes, look here, same exact entry situation, same exact picture. It looks like that I copied it. I didn't. This is here, August the 19th. Again, you find this beautiful setup here, and it takes you all the way. And my larger time frame chart that I send out in the emails will show you the way. This big entry was right around here, went all the way up, and that's what I showed you, right? Look at this, that we will go there. Yeah, always. I also teach Elliott wave harmonic pattern, and this is nothing but that Elliott wave counts. Like you have wave 1, 2, and then wave 3 usually have also 5 waves in it. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4 is in the way, and then we will go up again for the 5th wave. So it's simple. Whenever it dips for a wave, the 2nd wave, you get in. How? Use the magic wave strategy. As soon as you see the retracement is finished on a support, on a trend line, then you immediately go on a 5-minute chart, start watching that if it goes up. And even if you missed this 5-minute chart entry, then you go on a 1-minute chart and you just try to get into the move. From 1 minute, you'll see a lot of entries. This is how it is. It's easy. It's just a matter of learning and knowing what I'm doing. And this is one example I gave you, and you can see lots of before and after charts example on my website. It's full of it. Okay, yeah, USD pairs, yen pairs. By the way, I just finished the webinar yesterday, and I showed the yen index is on the last leg of the triangle, A, B, C, D, E. So we are in the making of E. We're going to make E wave the next week, coming week, and then it will break to the upside. And so what's going to happen is that the yen pair is going to dip a little bit for a couple 100 pips this week, and then make a turn, and big time will go up the following week. So I explain everything in the webinar, and of course, it's not the one that once a week, but it's out as the situation builds up. I do the webinars, I send the chart. As soon as I see a setup, I send it out in the emails. So this is how I do it, and this is a plan. If you don't trade this Forex market with the plan, what can I say? All right, so you have to have a plan, you have to have a strategy. So this is a couple of things, harmonic patterns, what's happening. This is just a butterfly finished here. If I tell you what, 127 is the end of the butterfly. If you measure that, why we dip? Because we didn't touch the 127, but very close. So this is the first, the final. I mean, butterfly could be going to 127 or even above to 1.618. Okay. So here. So, but this one just dipped from here because it was the first pullback was 61.8, should be 78.6. But, it's like a butterfly, but it's not exactly, but that's how it is. So I teach it, all of it. If you're knowing all these mumbo jumbo, a little bit of harmonic patterns and Elliott waves, how it goes. This is 1, 2, then you have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then a pullback as the 4th wave, and then 5th wave goes up. All these, so it helps. So I know it's a lot of learning. A lot of people don't have time, so just might as well subscribe, get this chart in the email, and learn. All you got to do is just learn a little bit how to make entry from a magic wave strategy. I have webinars on that, a recording I'll send you, and you do it. And then on the email, you can always ask me questions or whatever you don't understand or whatever you want to understand. Okay, so this is how it is. Get in the game and start making some serious pips. Next week is very exciting, especially on the yen pair. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.